Things might feel big, fast, and out of control at the moment, but there's plenty you can do. Stay with me to the end. Broken systems don't fix themselves. You can actually do something about it. Let me walk you through 5 things. Look around. How many problems do you see that no one's solving? How many needs is no one meeting? Band-aid solutions being used again and again and again, never getting to the root cause of things. Want to guarantee nothing changes? Do nothing. Step 1, you don't need to become someone else to start. Regardless of your age, gender, ability, neurodiversity, where you live, or what you've been through, you are enough. If someone says otherwise, they're wrong. What matters to you most? Food insecurity? Education equity? Health and well-being, or something only you would think of? Pick one. There's a way in. Step 2, know that you're not alone in this. Feeling isolated can make it seem like what you do won't matter, like it's hopeless. But there are others who want what you want, and there are more of them than you might think. Online, in your school, in your neighborhood, in places you probably haven't looked yet, there are people working on the same things that you care about. Step 3 is connect. We're stronger together. The Technoblade community alone is bigger than 2/3 of the countries in the world. Markiplier's community is bigger than 80% of them. And whether you like him or not, Mr. Beast's following, if it were a country, would be the 3rd largest on Earth. Change is possible. It's easy to feel powerless. You're not. And you're not alone. You're holding more power than you think. Small actions add up fast. Step 4. If you have the capacity and energy for more, there are tools that can help. There are ways of peeling back the layers of a problem to find out what's actually causing it. Solutions that don't just stop the harm, but stop the next problem from happening. Check the links in the description. If you're aged 14 to 18, there's something built specifically for you by youth. Whatever age you are, there should be some other resources you can find there too. That's 4, but there's one more thing. Step 5, self-care. This should be step 1, but would you still be watching if it was? There's only one you. Take care of yourself. You matter. Drink water, eat food, get sleep. Let me know in the comments the change that you would like to see in the world. I look forward to reading them. This is just the start. More will come. Take care of yourself. Thanks for sticking around till the end. It was more important to get this out to you quickly rather than with the perfect edits, because the Youth for Equity in Action program being put on by one of us, applications end at the end of May, so here you go. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.